Does the booty really go up and down in the club? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be me trying out doing Faux Locs for the first time and doing a little Q&A. I did do like most of them, but and I did leave a few out. Well, I did do most of them so that one, I could get the hang of it, and also I don't have that many questions. So yeah, so little details about what I did. I got 3 packs each of meccasalaam and the Marley hair, and yeah, let's get into these questions. And what I've been doing is just, hold on, I'm gonna untangle some of this. And so kind of just take about like this much, and I did leave like a little bit of room, and then I kind of just like twist the bottom a little bit, and I make a little space like that where my finger can come through, and then I just kind of like push it up, and then I leave one side a little longer than the other like you see in most of the videos, and then I just wrap it around. Okay, question time. Fresh Princess asks, what is your ideal man? I feel like this is, I don't know, these questions are kind of like, I don't know. Well, for one, melanated. Honestly, for me, I don't think I have like a physical type. So like all of the people that I have a crush on, none of them look like the same person. So I feel like more like internal qualities, like being able to hold a decent conversation. So like someone that's like smart. I like people who can make me laugh, and I think it'd be good to have I think hardworking person is good as well. My cousin Zoe asks, what would you do if you skyrocketed to fame? And this is referring to like overnight. See, I feel like I've just been kind of like shocked for a while, because I would not be used to it. I really just like in my day-to-day life am rather like invisible. So if I actually skyrocketed to fame, it'd be like really awkward actually. Okay, and we actually have a slew of questions from Delightful, aka my sister. Okay, one of them being, what would you do if you got $1 million right now? Well, I think some of it I would probably invest in some things, like buy a laptop and probably like a camera and like a slew of SD cards, and then the rest I think I honestly would just like save, to be honest. Do you like bagels? Yeah. Can you spell cat? Of course I can. I'm 19. You spell it K-H-A-H-T. Should I buy a shark on a hot, snowing summer day? I'd say don't limit yourself, you know, do what you believe is possible, you know, just really believe hard that it can be a hot, snowing summer day, and that it's completely legal for you to buy a shark. Is the earth round or flat? I'm pretty sure it's round. If you look at any picture, literally at all, of the earth in space, it's round. I'm not sure where people are getting that it's flat. I guess it's just one of those debates that'll go on for till the end of time, like whether or not pineapples go on pizza, which personally I think they do. Does the booty really go up and down in the club? You know what? I don't know. Let me hit the club real quick. I'll get back to you on that answer. And one is kind of a deep question. What do you feel your purpose in life is? Well, to be quite honest, it's probably depressing. I don't really feel a purpose in life. That's really all I'm going to say, because I'm not trying to have my channel be all like depressing or whatever. Especially because like my aunts follow and my uncle and the family members follow me, and you know, I don't want nobody to be like, sis, is you okay? So yeah, I don't feel anything at this moment. Hey, J Faith asked, what is your favorite food? To be honest, anything with carbs and cheese. I don't know why, but pizza, nachos, any type of pasta, that's my jam right there. So yeah. And we also have a question from the one and only Lovely X, one of my favorite YouTubers, and honestly I can't believe she even asked a question. Like, oh my god. Yeah, she's just one of my faves, and I really wish like one day I could like meet her and we could be friends, because I think it'd be lit. Anyway, she asked, who are your favorite musical artists? A lot of emo people. I like Panic! At the Disco, 21 Pilots, Fall Out Boy, and Paramore as like my main artists, because I listen to a lot of things in the emo variety. But I also really like Khalid, Daniel Caesar, SZA, and Ariana Grande, I guess, that are non-emo artists. And yeah, those are all of the questions. Yes, really, those were all the questions. Every time I ask for questions, I end up strongly relating to this meme. But I am actually introducing you guys to someone new. Meet my twin sister. Yeah, go ahead and tell everyone a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Joridisha Winnie. You may not have heard of me because I was kidnapped as a baby and abandoned in a mosh pit. It was amazing.
Okay. Oh, that's wow. Well, I mean, like, we would have kept looking for you and all, but we just decided it was fair. There could only be one emo in the family, so sorry about that. We have a lot of catching up to do, so Joridisha is going to ask me some questions. You know, get to like learn a bit about each other again. So yeah, Joridisha, go ahead and just fire away.
You could be best friends with any emo icon. Who would it be?
Hayley Williams.
My favorite songs at the moment.
My favorite songs right now definitely would have to be like basically the whole Trench album, but Chlorine, My Blood, Levitate, Pet Cheetah, Jumpsuit. Yes. Thank You Next by Ariana Grande is still just like a bop. Bohemian Rhapsody, Always, and yeah, I feel like that's pretty much all I'm listening to these days.
If you let the bodies hit the floor, does the floor feel it? What is your favorite type of clothing?
Jumpsuit. Wait. Get it. You get what I did.
Favorite vocalist ever?
Definitely Kurt Cobain, Hayley Williams, Brendan Urie, and Patrick Stump.
Sick.
You know, you've asked a lot of questions about me. You know, tell me a little bit about you. Like, what do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, okay. Well, in my free time, I like to rehearse with my band, the Smashing Zucchinis.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and if it's okay with you, I was wondering if you could add this clip of our recent performance.
Yeah, for sure. Let's take a look.
Something about the color.
That was unique, but where is the rest of your band? Kind of confused.
Oh no, it's just me.
Okay, well, it's almost as if the rest of your band is non-existent, you know, kind of like that one other band. forgot to mention, I did do just like the adding extensions part last night, and to secure the ends, I like tied a knot. So when I get down close to the bottom, I just like untie the knot and undo just like the bottom of the braid a little bit, and then I wrap it a little more, and then so that it's rounded at the end like a real lock, I flip it upwards like this and kind of loop it, and then I wrap it around the top like I did the rest of the hair. So yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to my sisters already sure for helping me with this video.
Yeah, whatever.
If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, the notification bell down below, and you subscribe to keep up with my posts. And I will see you next time. Peace out.
Sipping on straight glory.